Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make the famous PF Chang's chicken lettuce wrap. Yep, that's right. And with no further ado, let's go straight to the video. Okay guys, let's start with garlic. We need 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna slice it thinly. We're also going to use some chestnuts. We're gonna chop this up. We need red onions, half, and we're gonna chop it up as well. And we're going to use ground chicken. But this one's a little dry, so I'm going to add some ground beef into this. Alright, let's start cooking. With no oil, we're gonna drop this in. And then as soon as you see some browning on the meat, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And we're also going to add our ground chicken. Alright guys, for those of you who are new to my channel, I post weekly, and if you like what you see so far, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. We are going to add our red onions. We're going to saute this along with our garlic. And we're also going to add our chestnuts. Alright, looking good so far guys. Alright, let's cook this for another 30 seconds. Alright, we're going to add some soy sauce and organic ground ginger. And lastly, our hoisin sauce. And guys, optional, you can add peanut sauce as well. But guys, this is done, and you just learned how to make the famous PF Chang's chicken lettuce wrap. Look at that, that looks really good. But guys, this is the end of the video. I'd like to thank each and every one of you, and as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye.